Hey guys, Dave V here at the Factory 5 Racing booth at the 2024 London Cobra Show. We're here hanging out with some of our pro builders and our awesome customers. You can see our customer builds here. We've got a couple from the coupes and the roadsters, and our half-mobile here, our Mark IV half-mobile. You have the charity rides going on in the background, some great music, a lot of different vendors from Hot Rod Brothers to former cars. So we're having a blast out here. If you ever get a chance to come, I totally recommend the London Cobra Show.
It's a great time. I mean, if you are looking to get options or see how cars are done or just want to see a bunch of these, this is one of the best, if not the best place to do that.
This is unbelievable. You know, what we did over the Thursday and Friday, meeting all the different people, seeing all the different cars, it was a great experience. I'll be back. This is a great show.
Oh, it's been a great turnout. The weather's been awesome. Lots of questions about the cars, so this is it's been a nice experience.
Yeah, everybody should come out. It's a great time. We have people from all over the country that come down here, Texas and Florida and East Coast and even California. And Canada, we have a guy from Canada as well. So just people from all over the place. It's great.
Well, watching the charity rides and the people get out of the cars with that look that they've probably never had on their face before. They just had life pass before their eyes and they lived to tell about it. So, as usual, it was a blast. Lots of people, lots of cars, all raising money for a great charity.
What's your favorite part of the London Cobra Show today?
Taking pictures of the Shelby Cobras.
I think being here with him to remember it, our first time here, and then also meeting the community was really nice. It's really great to be a part of it.
It was fun, exciting, but it was hot